Hey traders, how's it going? Hopefully you guys all having a great day today. It was a nice Friday with lots of opportunity, lots of momentum, and a good trend today. So for those of you trend traders, I know we have some of those in our community as well, which is great, Lots of opportunity and variety in these markets. They are wild markets that we are in currently. So we wanted to go ahead and do an end of the day review here. Go ahead and close out the week and be ready and prepare for next week. So should be more of this, more volatility, more great action next week. We had a pretty good day here in the community. We missed the early morning move. We had some meetings here at work, so we were unable to catch that. But luckily, thanks to the analysis, our members were, and that is what we're here for. That is what makes us happy. It's what gets us up in the morning each and every single day. Being able to provide our knowledge and our expertise to others, right? No greater feeling than giving back. So let's go ahead and do a quick review of today, see how it went, see how our members did, see what the analysis was like, even though we had a downturn today. It was a great day. Let's go ahead and pull it up. All right. Hey, traders. Let's go ahead and do a quick overview of today's analysis and what was provided for our members. We have here April 22nd, 2022, posted at 7:28 a.m. This is SPY range today. It says, "Good morning, traders. SPY futures overnight had one of those last-ditch efforts to print a number. So this number was ES 4363.50 and then push higher, but we're not able to. Now this, coupled with yesterday's wild action, puts today front and center to the most important part of the market today. Market psychology will be front and center today above technicals, fundamentals, and or price action. Today will be a day to read the psychology and sentiment of market participants. No matter what happened yesterday, we have to stay on track with the numbers and planning. We actually had a brief discussion about this today. A lot of people yesterday got burned. A lot of people got hurt yesterday. So what tends to happen and what we as humans and individuals do is we want to find the error. We want to fix the error, right? Humans like to be in control. So a lot of people went through yesterday, had horrible days, blew up accounts, messed up, even if you just had small red days or just frustrating, choppy day, right? Yesterday during that wild action, your initial reaction to it is, let me improve my strategy. Let me improve or make better or tweak this or tweak that, which can lead to over optimization. You know, analysis by paralysis, doing too much. Okay, sometimes you just have to read the market for what it is. And yesterday was a wild day. You do not have those each and every single day. So this is not to say that if you don't have already a built system and strategy in place, that you shouldn't try and make it better or perfect it. But for those of you traders who already have a profitable strategy, already have uh, progress in your accounts, already experienced, and yesterday was one of your first just mind-boggling day of how the markets react. Your initial reaction today, for most people, is going to be one of two things: try to make everything back all at once by over trading, over leveraging, or just getting yourself to a point where you want to feel good. That is a horrible mental state to be in. And then the other batch of traders are going to try to optimize their strategy. Well, what if I add this indicator or that indicator, or if I do this extra, or if I do that? Let's add this, let's do something I wasn't doing before, right? When that occurs, it leads to more mistakes. If you already have a built system, built strategy that is profitable and working for you, yesterday was just part of doing business, just part of being a market participant. You are in the risk business. Have to keep that front and center in your mind. Now, back to the analysis. It says, yesterday we have on track with the numbers. We discussed that after SPY losing 44762. Remember, we discussed that in yesterday's video. Go back and watch that if you have not. Then 44309. These were our two big numbers we've been watching for a couple weeks now. This puts SPY back at 435.71. Oh, excuse me. Been a long day. So this puts SPY back at 435.71, which we are at now. Now notice, if you saw the video last week, I think it was, and as well if you're a member in the community, then go ahead and comment below. We've been watching that 44309 and 43571 for a while. We have a sequence of events, and if event A happens, we know where we're going. Right? So yesterday we knew already dead on that we were going to be at 437.97. Not a coincidence how this stuff works, guys. Try to tell you guys this all the time. Pay attention. Come on in. Join us. If you need a tour guide, you need a plan laid out and guidance, holding your hand throughout the whole day. Come on in. Join the community. Now, so it says, so we will not be falling to any hype or fear in the markets. Simply follow the numbers, as most traders have no idea that these cycles exist. So that gives us here at the Jensen Group and our members a leg up. Now, the SPY range today is tight again, with it being 43571 to 43794. Pay attention there. We'll go ahead and review the chart here in a second. SPY Bull's whole life mission today will be to not allow a print or a close below 435.71. This puts the SPY Bulls closing two 15-minute closes above 437.97. That would have gave them room to breathe, and we would have seen some upward action today. That did not occur. There was still a lot of fear out there, still a lot of people throwing the towel, not wanting to hold into the weekend. Oh, excuse me. So, what does that do? That puts the SPY bear plan front and center. Now, notice down here it says, SPY bears got a taste of blood yesterday and will be looking to feast more today, and as such creates the makings of a washout day. A daily hammer candle on the SPYs, typically what a washout day looks like. We did not get the full washout day today, the hammer meaning, but it is definitely a washout day where a lot of people just get throw in the towel, say I hate the market, never be back, and go ahead and leave. Right? This will come in the form of the first, notice here, this will come in the form of the first 15-minute close below 435.71. Then SPY bears need to push price lower and close a 60-minute candle below 433.78, which will start all that is needed for a washout to take place, and will open the pocket to and or through 430.33. Notice it's 7:28 in the morning, guys. Not a coincidence. I'm telling you guys day in and day out in these videos. What are you waiting for? Come on and join us. You're getting burned in these markets. You don't know how to read it. You need a tour guide. Go ahead and review the chart. Here's a 15-minute chart. Now, what do we have here? Okay, let's zoom in, get rid of all the other distractions. Here's our main base that we are looking at in the day, 435.71. Now, unfortunately, we here had a meeting that we had to attend, so we missed about the first 45 minutes of action. We were unable to participate in this, which is quite unfortunate, but hey, business is business. So we missed this first move, but our members were able to catch it. That is the beauty of a great community. So now we had the first 15-minute close like we saw in the analysis. I'll pop that up here and there. You guys can pause the video, go ahead and read it over again and again and again if you need to. But now the first 15-minute close below 435.71. Now that puts on target a 60-minute close below 433.78. Notice what we had. 15-minute close, nice retest. So now we're a half hour in the day, and what happens here? 60-minute close. We're below 433.78. How many times you guys got to keep watching these videos? What are you waiting for? Come and join us. Now take a look here. 60-minute closes below, and you get the washout move where to and or through 430.33. Again, nice and simple read on the day. This is bright and early in the morning. We usually have this out by 7:30 in the morning, Mountain Standard Time. We don't trade the open, not our style. So this is how we analyze the market here. We wait for price action to come in. We wait for our numbers and closes to take place, and then it provides you with plenty of opportunity each and every single day. Go back and watch all these videos. Great content in the videos that we try to provide nuggets of information for you guys to watch, learn, and see what you're missing out on. So what did we do here? Went to SPY 430.33. Right to it, got your retrace, Right back up to our other number. This was not part of the morning analysis, but it was posted for the members yesterday, actually. This 431.77. This is just what's called an influx zone, right? So this is just think of it of an area where you're going to see some, I don't want to quite call it chop because it's called an influx zone, but this is where you're going to see some of this. So you can look at it as chop if you want, but that's what that number means. And we ended up going right through 430.33. Now we're down in this pocket. So this pocket here will eventually be touched down here towards 420.40. When, what day, what time, we can usually pinpoint that. We'll have that by Sunday for our members. So, what are you guys waiting for? Stop missing out. Hopefully, you guys are making it out okay. Don't get crushed in these markets. Volatility is crazy. The moves and ranges are just unfathomable. This is not something this is normal, not normal action, especially those of you who are new to the market, just joined 2019, 2020 during COVID, during all the issues that were going on, started to make a lot of money. Now is when everybody is going to start to lose that money. These past 6-8 months, all the way for the next 6-8-10 months. This is where everyone's going to give back all those gains that you saw on YouTube, people making 50K, 100K. This is when most people who don't know when to get out, they give it all back. Market has shifted. Market has changed. If you cannot read that, you need to step aside or get yourself a tour guide, proper mentorship, proper education to learn how to trade these markets. So, without further ado, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Be sure to rest up and get prepared for next week, guys. Should be another fun, volatile week. Come on in, join us. Ask about the 7-day trial. You got nothing to lose. 7-day trial is only $9.99, guys. Other than that, see you guys in Monday's video.